is up, y'all? Got a beautiful day to ride, about 58 degrees or so here in East 10. I'll take it. Take what I can get. Ain't been able to ride in a while. Been cold, raining. Not about that. Anyways, so last Saturday I went and scooped up a 2020 Honda Talon. Been missing a dirt toy since I got rid of that Razor, but that thing is just a straight POS. Always something. So I want this Honda. We'll see what's up. Dealership in there straight promised me the world. I think they say they got me for a year, so we'll see what's up. Got pretty hammered last night. Ordered a bunch of parts for it, radio, bumpers, winch. So anyways, had to wait a little while to go ride. Felt pretty rough. Still trying to get over this natty virus, but I think I got it taken care of. Gonna go try to slam some roads. So with this new side-by-side, I'm gonna try to get some more damn camping videos out as soon as I get it set up a little bit. Some old men over there chewing the fat. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it set up, start doing some camping videos and some more riding trips and stuff at Roll Blue. Those videos are always a little bit more wild because I like to party when I'm off-road. So that's how we roll. You know, you have music bumping, cold beer in your hand, straight up shredding some woods. It's always fun. Was gonna bang up here and rip some turns, but I don't know, man. My back tire, when I pulled out earlier and went into second, it kind of, I don't know, it felt funny, so I didn't check my pressure or check nothing before I went to ride, so I ain't gonna risk it. Y'all see that? Looked like his jack must have kicked out or something. I don't know, looked wild. That was faux show. Ah, yeah. Whew, gravel. Y'all watch that gravel. I've heard it's put better men down. Don't realize how much I miss this bike till I break it back out again. I absolutely love this bike. Want to get a couple more big trips on it this summer. Well, not more than a couple. I want to do way more than a couple. It's a pretty weekend and the ladies on call. I'm definitely going to be on this bad boy. Got to finish the Blue Ridge Parkway. I'm going to take some vacation days to do that. That way I can head up Super Moto up in DC. I'd like to go to one of them big ride outs they do, like Ride of the Century or something, but man, that stuff looks a little wild. I'd probably just get my butt beat and my bike stolen. Well, I mean, I guess that's what insurance is for. Man, I'm ready for some beautiful weather. And you know, I guess y'all don't understand unless y'all from around here, but dude, our weather is crazy, especially this time of year. It'd be sunny like this, and it'll start raining out of the blue. So you gotta try to be pretty sure you're gonna be good when you leave out. It gets sketchy just coming through like this area right here in the shade, man. The temperature drops quite a bit. Looks like there's some snow up on the mountain too. Let's see if I can show y'all. That's where I was gonna go, but it looks like it's definitely still cold up here. Can't see through over this first row of mountains right now. But I did see when I was coming down the road some snow up top. Ah, come on, DRZ, you need a 6th gear. Oh, the popo! Man, y'all see that moon's out already, and it's like 3 o'clock. I got hair in my beard. Whoop. Guys, I got to get a new back tire for the Supermoto. If y'all got any good advice on tires, let me know. I'd really like to go back with the stock tire, man, but they're like 300 and something bucks, and I ain't even got 2,000 miles out of it. I might get it if I push it, but if I'm gonna pay that much for a soft tire, I might just go with like a Battle Axe, or I don't know, Dunlop. Might go with a Shinko. Who knows? Oh man, hope I don't wipe out. I done my Grom one day. Not because this is deep or hard or nothing, but right here, it's slick. And I wasn't paying attention and straight up railed it. Well, horse riders. Thought I seen horse poopy in the road. They're back there picking it up. Wouldn't be bad to wreck your bike because you went down in horse poo. Well, that'd be bad. A bunch of road rash with horse poo up in it. Not be a good day. Oh. No. Come on, I should be so much better than that. That was embarrassing, guys. That was embarrassing. I thought I had it. I thought I had it. Y'all caught me slipping. There's the butcher's. That's where you take your deer to get cleaned. Packaged, I mean. Place be full around deer season. Imagine like a sport bike, just like jumping some of this stuff. Well, just crazy they paved this road out here. They usually don't do nothing. These back roads where I live, I must have some kind of mayor or somebody moved out here, complained about it, how they got it done. That's how they do it in these back ass towns. I was hoping, man, y'all can't see over these first row of mountains right here. Oh yeah, tractor jam. Thinking about banging it around it, but I can't see. Got him! Ha! Y'all see that? I passed that tractor like it was nothing. It ain't got no power. Oh boy. About time for me to find somewhere to take a pee-pee and get a dip. Maybe pound one of these highly delicious and nutritious Dr. Nuffs. My bike, something's up with my back tire. They just don't know. Don't feel good. I don't like it. I don't know if that's where it's getting worn or what, but you'd think I would have noticed it last time. I don't know, y'all. Looks like it's time for me to get a new tire. Might as well take it and get one put on it sometime soon while this weather's pretty nasty. That way I can just worry about riding when it's nice. See that little thing up there? That's the devil. He'll come around that corner straight up, ripping it. And he was pulling out. Maybe I'm lucky I'm on a bike. I don't think he's seen me. But I'm gonna let that fool go on. Get out of there. Get away from me. Not today, devil. A speed trap through here. So it goes to 30 way back there. Oh, there's some snow on the mountains. Y'all can kind of see from here. Popo turning around. Somebody's horses or cows. Oh man, y'all see that? That's crazy. Somebody's cows are out. Whew. Alright, y'all. Just stop back there. End up enjoying me a nice poop. Shout out to Dude Wipes. $1 at Walmart. Pick you up some. Put them in your tank bag. Quit going through socks, undershirts. So they were right there. Yep, there's the Popo. Don't know what he's done. Huh. I don't know. As long as he ain't got nothing to do with me, I like it. I like it. Who's this? Oh, there's Tyler. Oh, there goes some fall willows, boy. Well, I figured I'd do a little ride today. Don't want my fuel going bad up in this bike, which I ain't really know that much. I went 126.2 miles today. So that's not too bad. That's about, well, I had to get gas twice, so I guess I probably used, I don't know, I probably got about a quarter tank left in this other tank. Bike only gets about a little over 100 miles to the tank, maybe. That ain't too bad. Not when I get about 100 miles to the gallon. Oh hell, go home, crack me open a nice cold natural light, head to the shower. Ah yeah, I'm gonna sit down up in my shower, pound that beer, might even holler at the old lady and tell her to bring me 2 more. Yep. Then I might end up ordering some more parts. Oh, wild trash! I about railed it. Y'all seen that, didn't you? It ain't got nothing on me. There's somebody going for a walk. Whew. Ho hum. Well, y'all, hopefully I'll be doing a video on that Italian pretty soon. I don't know if some of y'all subscribe for the motorcycle stuff. Might not like it, but I bet you'll like the videos when I'm pounding beers and raising hell. Then y'all be like, oh hell yeah, that's my dude right there. I'll make y'all proud. Hopefully I got some parts coming in this week, so I'm gonna try to put stuff on order to where I don't end up, you know, really having to do stuff twice, you know what I mean? So I don't want to put the windshield on, go to put the winch on, and have to take apart that front dash piece, because then I just do the same stuff twice. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I definitely get it figured out. I was wanting to buy it, but I ended up getting it for, it's a 2020 Honda Talon R. It's a 1000. They got a 6-speed DCT transmission, which is pretty much dual clutch. So what it does, it's got a clutch stack for first, third, and fifth, and a clutch stack for second, fourth, and sixth. And the transmission's reading how you let off the throttle and go on it, and it's getting that other gear ready to slide in and make a move. So it's pretty dope. I got on it, it was a little wet on the road, but it spun through first, second, and was going sideways in third. I let out of it, just didn't feel like eating my tires, you know, on something that, well, I mean, I still ain't even got a mile on it. So try to get everything put on, get it ready for a riding trip. And there's always people walking out there, especially at nighttime with stuff, man. I about clipped a dude. I had a 8'6", well, the widest you can be trailer is 8'6". Had a side-by-side and a four-wheeler on it and was pulling it behind my Hummer coming down through there. There's a semi-truck coming this way. And I'm telling you, there's a log jam. There's a dude there walking. I think there's a couple people on their bicycles. So, I mean, it got kind of interesting. Go on, dummy. Oh, y'all had it. Y'all had it. Gotta be a heavy pull on that Bronco. I had a Bronco too like that when I was 14. Pretty nice. I did a lot of work that thing. Oh! Well, y'all, peace out. I'm gonna head by the gas station. Give me another can of backer before I get to the house. Feeling around my pocket and realized I ain't got one in my pocket. Like, one of my tank bags empty. I just got it back when I took my poop down by the river. Talk about a nice scenic poop. I enjoyed it, y'all. Go get some dude wipes. Peace out, y'all.